In primetime news this evening, nothing to show. Iconic cultural site still in bad state despite multi-million-dollar spend. JLP bullish about the safety of Jamaicans amid massive 30% decrease in murders. And visa applicant dies at the U.S. Embassy in Kingston on Monday.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up in business news, Tropical Battery reports increase in revenue.
And Renardo is also here with a preview of what Archie likes to call the big show.
It is the big show, Janella. Well, local football referees stayed off the field in the Jamaica Premier League for a second straight day as they demand outstanding payment from the PFJL and the new champions to be crowned in the Women's Super 50 Cup. After title holders, Jamaica lost to the Leeward Islands. We'll tell you all about those stories and much more in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Renardo. And today, Janella, it was hot, it was drizzling. Romain, what's happening with the weather?
Thanks, Andrea. Now, those isolated afternoon showers that we have been experiencing are as a result of that trough that is lingering across the area. We do have more showers in the forecast for sections of eastern parishes tomorrow. Slightly drier conditions are forecast on Wednesday.
All right, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of the recent decrease in major crimes in Jamaica?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.